When she cries during an argument, it can shake you. It can make you feel guilty, frustrated, confused, or even powerless. But before you react, before you say anything, stop and understand this. Those tears aren't just about what you said. They are about something much deeper. You see, when a woman cries during a conflict, it's often because her emotional safety is under threat. She's not just upset because of your words. She's overwhelmed because her heart feels unheard. Her emotions are like waves crashing in. Fast, uncontrollable, and often misunderstood. Crying is her release. It's the only way her body knows how to process the overload when words fall short. She's not always trying to manipulate. She's not always trying to avoid accountability. She's expressing pain in the only language she has left in that moment. To her, arguments aren't always about being right. They're often about feeling seen, feeling secure, and knowing you still care, even in disagreement. Her tears are asking a question she can't voice. Do I matter to you right now? Most men don't know how to handle this. Some shut down, some lash out, some walk away. But the truth is, walking away from her tears is like walking away from her soul in distress. She doesn't need you to fix her. She needs you to hold the space. Stay with her. Let her feel. Let her release. It's not about tolerating drama. It's about recognizing emotional vulnerability. Because behind those tears may be childhood wounds, abandonment, fears, past trauma, or a deep longing for connection that's being threatened. What if, instead of reacting with defensiveness, you responded with empathy? What if you saw her tears not as weakness but as trust? Because crying in front of someone means she feels safe enough to break. It means she's letting you see the real, unfiltered version of her. And yes, sometimes tears do come with manipulation. But your job isn't to judge the emotion. It's to observe the pattern. If this is a woman who has stood by you, who loves you, who tries to communicate, then her tears are most likely rooted in pain, not control. So the next time she cries during an argument, pause, look beyond the words, listen with your heart, and ask yourself, is she crying because I hurt her, or because she feels like I stopped listening? Use that moment not to win, but to understand, because love isn't about victory. It's about connection. It's about safety. It's about knowing that even in your lowest moments, you're still holding each other's hearts with care. If you can meet her there, in the silence, in the storm, in the tears, you're not just a partner. You're her anchor. And that's where real intimacy begins.